Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool amazing product right here, and basically what this is an after sun smoother lotion. So it basically uses after you guys are in the sun all day, or if you guys got sunburn or something. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand, and the scent or the flavor that we got right here is aloe and coconut oil. They do have this available in other scent and other flavor as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. If you guys turn to the back, they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to actually apply it on. So you do have the option to apply it onto your body, your skin, or even for your face as well. So first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like and how to use it. So you guys press the open. You can see how it's all nicely sealed up. So you basically want to peel that part out and apply it on. Alright, close it back up. So if you guys open up, you just want to apply a little bit onto your skin. So I'm not sure if you can see in the video or not, but my top part of my arm right here got sunburn. So we want to take a little bit out. So we'll just use that much for now. And you just want to apply it onto your skin, your face, or anywhere else. And if we're applying it on, it actually smells pretty good. I'm not sure if it's the aloe or the coconut oil, but it definitely has a very nice scent to it. So I believe for this product, you can basically use it like a sunburn kind of lotion. So that will help you guys move your skin and also give you guys that cooling effect to help with the sunburn as well. And when you guys apply it on, it does dry pretty fast. You basically want to keep rubbing it until it's all dried up. Alright, so just like that, and you guys all set. So very easy and very simple for you guys to use it. And once you guys do apply it on, you can definitely feel a little bit of that cooling effect that helps you guys cool down your arm. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys just got sunburn or something, that's where one of these actually comes in handy. It kind of reminds me of the same smell that they do have when you guys apply a lip balm from this brand as well, which is pretty cool. But once you guys are done, you can close that up and it's all set. So for this product, when you guys use it, you probably want to apply a few times throughout the day, depending on how bad your sunburn is and how often you guys are planning to go out. If you guys do plan on going out pretty often, then you want to apply a little bit more. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to unboxing and testing the product, now to end the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially like I mentioned, if you guys got sunburn recently, then getting one of these is actually pretty worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.